Hi kids, welcome back to the class. How are you? I hope you are doing well. So students, today we are going to start chapter number 12, that is adverbs. So let's begin. Circle the word in each sentence which qualifies the verb. Can you see these pictures? The car is running swiftly. Birds are flying high. So do this activity by yourself. Now let's begin with part A, adverb. An adverb can be defined as a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb. An adjective or another adverb. Read the following sentences. The aeroplane flew swiftly. Today it's very hot. In the above sentences, the highlighted words are all adverbs. In sentence 1, the adverb swiftly adds to the meaning of the verb flew. In sentence 2, the adverb very adds to the meaning of the adverb hot. Now, kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs that tell how an activity is performed are called adverbs of manner. Example, we ran slowly. Adverbs of manner answer the question how. Examples, bravely, quickly, politely, sweetly, etc. Now next is adverbs of place. Adverbs that tells where an action is performed are called adverb of place. Example, she is coming here today. Now, adverb of place answer the question where. Example, there, near, down, upstairs, downstairs, etc. Next is adverbs of time. Adverbs that tell when an action is performed are called adverbs of time. Example, she is now going to Delhi. Adverbs of time answer the question when. Examples, soon, yet, still, tonight, yesterday, etc. Now, adverbs of degree. Adverbs that tell how much or to what extent an action has taken place are called adverbs of degree. Example is, this phone is very costly. Adverbs of degree answers the question how much or to what extent. Example is almost, quite, nearly, enough, just, etc. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs that tell how often an action has taken place are called adverbs of frequency. Example, she usually takes her dog for a walk. Adverbs of frequency answer the question how often. Example, generally, twice, often, always, occasionally, etc. Now next is interrogative adverbs. Adverbs that are used to ask questions are called interrogative adverbs. Example, how did you reach here? Interrogative adverbs ask questions. Example, why, when, where, how, etc. Now students, you have to identify adverbs in the following sentences. Circle them and mention their kinds. One has been done for you. Look here. Shreya sang a song sweetly. So in this sentence, sweetly is the adverb. Adverb of manner. So in this way, do the rest by yourself. Now next is formation of adverb. So students, most adverbs are formed by adding ly to an adjective. Example, slow, slowly, quick, quickly. Sometimes an adjective ends in y. In these cases, replace the y with I and add ly to form an adverb. Example, happy, happily, easy, easily. In some cases, an adjective ends in le, able, or ible. In these cases, replace the e with y. Example is capable, capably, terrible, terribly. Next is when an adjective ends in ic, then ally is added to form its adverb form. Example, basic, basically, energetic, energetically, public, exceptional, public, publicly. Next, some adverbs have the same form as their adjective. Example, late, late, early, early, daily, daily, far, far, fast, fast, low, low, high, high, long, long. Now students, form adverbs from the following words like beautiful, beautifully. So in this way, do the rest by yourself. Next is filling the blanks with appropriate adverbs, choosing from the brackets. First, even after 1 year of training, she plays the piano badly. So in this way, fill all the blanks by yourself correctly. Now next is comparison of adverbs. Some adverbs are compared like adjectives. They have the same 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. Now, degree of comparison are formed in the following ways. Adverbs of one syllable form their comparative degree by adding er and superlative by adding est. Look at this table: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative. Slow, slower, slowest. Early, earlier, earliest. Adverbs ending in ly generally take more and most before them to form comparative and superlative degree. Look here: loudly, more loudly, most loudly. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Some adverbs form degree of comparison in irregular way, like much, more, most, bad, worse, worst. Now read the following examples. First, the horse runs fast, positive. The cheetah runs faster than the horse, comparative. The deer runs fastest of all, superlative. Next is Ruby came early, positive. Megha came earlier than Ruby, comparative. Disha came the earliest of all, superlative. In the above sentences, fast and early are the adverbs when they are used for one person or thing and no comparison is made. They are in the positive degree. Fast, early. When comparison is made between two persons or things, er is added to the positive degree, and this form is called the comparative degree. Faster, earlier, then is also used in the comparative degree. When comparison is made between more than two persons or things, est is added to the positive degree, and this form is called superlative degree. Fastest, earliest, in, of or among is also used in the superlative degree. Now students, adverbs in the following sentences are used incorrectly. Rewrite the following sentences by using the adverbs correctly. First, my friend came early than me. So it will be my friend came earlier than me. So in this way, do the rest by yourself. Now, position of adverbs. Mainly in a sentence, an adverb may be put at one of the three positions. Front position, generally interrogative adverb, where, when, how, etc. or yes, no, still, perhaps, certainly, etc. are used in the beginning of a sentence. Like, where does your brother work? How do you go to school? Perhaps you have forgotten her address. Certainly, he will call me on phone today. Next is mild position. The adverbs which modify adjective, verb, adverb or a preposition are placed just near them and are called mid-position adverbs. Like, I quite understand your difficulty. He has almost completed all the assignments. They arrived just at 10. You are very fond of singing. So students, adverbs of degree almost, nearest, just, quite, to, etc. when they modify an adjective or an adverb are put before the adjective or adverb. But when these adverbs of degree modify a verb, they are put before the verb, and if there is an auxiliary verb also, they are put between auxiliary and main verb. Like, you hardly realize my difficulty. I am just returning your money. Adverbs of frequency, never, always, often, usually, rarely, sometimes, seldom, etc. are generally placed after full verbs be, is, am, are, was, were. If the full verb is other than be, they are placed before the full verb. Like, he is never late. I never sing. The sun always rises in the east. She was usually late for her class. Next is end position. The adverbs of manner, wisely, foolishly, quietly, gently, slow, fast, hard, etc. And adverbs of place and direction, here, there, somewhere, everywhere are generally put after the direct object.
If there is no direct object, they are put after verbs. Such adverbs are called end position adverbs. Let's see, I have seen you somewhere. He entered the classroom quietly. Your brother is not here. Please wait for me there. Next, rewrite the following sentences using the words in the brackets in its proper place. First, I have arrived at the station. So it will be, I have just arrived at the station. So in this way, do the rest sentences by yourself. So that's all from this chapter. Bye bye kids. Take care.